Hey up, people of the interwebs. Just do another quick update on there. Just a random chat really, just to see what's going on. Fill you in on any ideas I've had for channel content. Don't know whether it would be of any interest really. So, and any sort of plans I've got going forward with either the MG or the bike over here. So today's Friday. This weekend, planning on Saturday, going out with my dad on the bikes again. Where we're gonna go? That's the problem. So we're either gonna end up at, now then, where did we say? St Aidan's Wildlife Reserve, I think that's what it's called. There's a bit of a drag crane. If we end up going, I'll explain more when we're there, but it's a massive machine that's at the side of where there used to be a big quarry. It's quite an interesting machine. It's what used to basically bring what they were digging out up the side of the quarry to the top, so they could sort of ferry it off and do whatever with it. Drag line, that's what it's called, a drag line. Apparently it's been on abandoned engineering, but I've not seen it, even though I've looked for it loads of times. But yeah, we'll have a look, maybe go there. The other choices are Gem Speed Shop, because apparently there's quite a good cafe there, and it's not going to be too warm apparently on Saturday, so it might be nice to have somewhere when we get there we can stop and have a bit of a drink and stuff, whereas the St Aidan's place is literally just literally just like drag line and a bird reserve, so I don't think there's a cafe there. Where was the other one? Monash. It's a nice little, like a little village. We've been there a few times previously in MG, in my dad's MG, not mine. That's nice, like nice little village green, and then there's a pub, I think it's called the Bull or the Black Bull, and then there's a bit of a cafe / chip shop outside of it, so that might be good. So that's Saturday. Sunday, so I'm gonna head off over to Newark Auto Jumble on Sunday because I've not been for a while. Don't need anything. Maybe could do with some garage bits and pieces, so I don't know, just mundane things like I'm running out of blue roll, so that'd be quite useful to grab hold of, and I could do with some more latex gloves we wear. Maybe some other bits and pieces if I think about it while I'm there. But yeah, I just want to have a general hunt round just to see what there is. If there's any sort of bits of, I always used to say I don't understand why people buy old oil cans and crap like that. It's like, why would you want that? But that wall could do with something on it now. Like I've put them two signs on, Honda one and an MG one, and I've put them low down because when I'm filming stuff I want them to be seen. That was the idea, to dress that wall up. But now I'm thinking, well, up top looks bare, so I could do with putting something up there. So we'll see. It might be more interesting filming it in that, and then I could do a bit of a walk around the show. It's like a bit of greenery that you can park on inside, but there's normally some interesting stuff there. Obviously Monday is a bank holiday now, so I don't know what I'll be doing there. I might go for a ride out. I want to do a proper ride out and a stop and a talk around this, like a bit of a review. I don't know whether any of you watch Mr. Dunflyer, but he does quite good review videos where he'll ride off somewhere and then he'll go, well, let's check out the specs, and then it'll cut to him sort of stood at side of it talking about various bits and pieces, and then he goes back to the riding bit. So it's kind of a good way are breaking it up, I think. But I just need to try and think of somewhere to stop to do the talking bits. Yeah, apart from that, I think that's about everything. Yeah, so there you go. That's what I'm up to, and hopefully you'll get to watch some of those videos that I do, and hopefully you'll enjoy them, and hopefully you'll hit subscribe, and hopefully at some point I'll get a few subscribers that start commenting and asking questions or giving me their opinions or their experiences and that sort of thing, and hopefully I figure out where's the best thing to view all this technical stuff, because I can jump on the computer and have a look at the comments and videos and stuff, but I also get notifications on my phone, and then there's stuff on my laptop that when I'm logged in there, then if I logged on the PS4, which is where I normally watch YouTube stuff from downstairs, then it's like I don't know where all the tech things, I don't know where the best thing to sort of view comments and respond to them is. So I'm sure the more people I get commenting and such like, hopefully I'll figure it out. Be quiet, Mr. Motorbike. Oh yeah, and obviously, as you see, I painted this wall for it to have a nice background. But no, I think it kind of, that bit looks nice, not restaurant. It looks grotty. So I think what I might need to do at some point is take everything out of here and then paint it all and then put everything back in again. But yeah, it's not going to get done anytime soon. And weather's starting to get a bit crapper, so it kind of needs doing ASAP. So much junk in here that I need to get rid of. A whole side of a workbench over there that's just covered in stuff that should be underneath it. So yeah, definitely need to sort that out. Oh, and I need to do a video on them paddock stands and that butt plug. Well, there we go. Hope that's not too much waffling. Yeah, take care. See you later. Ta-ra!